Hi, my name is Mitesh Agaria and I work as Senior Executive Digital Marketing for Mirror. My role involves taking care of vendors, making sure that their sales always goes up, and obviously the other side is basically brand building. So I'm trying to fill the gap here at Mirror by creating campaigns and amplifying the brand through innovative ideas. I'm trying to fill in this interesting gap. It's been 4 years and brand building exercise as such was not part of the culture here. It's an interesting gap to tell people or customers why we started Mirror and making sure that they're buying from a legit brand. So it's an interesting gap that I'm trying to fill, and that's what's exciting. I think one of the things that came across while interacting with vendors is that these guys were very small when they started, and as and when the journey continued, they have sort of built up their businesses. So I think the scale that we've given to these vendors, it's immense. Most of them are very happy that they've continued with us, and they now want to grow much larger. They've increased their portfolio. Apart from that, I think we're trying to connect with these customers who are abroad and they miss Indian ethnic wear. I think that's the kind of products we are offering, and at every price point. That's something very inspiring and enriching even for these customers to know that these products are available for them. So I think these two things really stand out on how we're making a difference in the lives of these people. One of the strongest point about Mirror is scale. So a minute change that you make on the front end, it sort of has a domino effect on the back end. So there's a lot of scope in terms of solving smaller challenges, which has really a bigger impact on the entire organization. So one of the things that I've noticed at Mirror is that the people are very humble, and you can just go across to them anytime and sort of talk about your challenges, and they're happy to help. In other companies, you may have to sort of take an appointment or sort of be in a position wherein, oh, will this guy sort of help me or not? But here you can just walk into that guy and just say, hey, this is the problem that we're facing, and they're ready to help you. If you're the kind of guy who wants to contribute and see a domino effect across the organization, if you don't want to be the guy or the girl who's sitting on a chair in cabin 5, then this is the right organization for you. A small change can have a massive impact on the entire organization, and if that is something that is interesting for you, then Mirror is the right place for you. So I think the goal that we're chasing in the next 3 years, we want to be a 1,000 crore plus company with taking all these employees and vendors together. I think that's something very exciting. We all are going to contribute in our own ways and make sure that we achieve that goal, and that's something very exciting because it's a bootstrapped company, not a venture funded company. And without external resources, we're going to try pull this off on our own. That's a challenge, and that execution of the challenge is really exciting for us. So, I mean, give me some hints. Wait. So I think if you're a foodie, you'll be able to connect with me. If you want to know the best places to eat, right from misal pav to a biryani to even a pan cotta, then I'm the right guy for that. You can simply just give me a call, and I'll be happy to help and eat anytime. So come join Mirror and stay super.